Hello everyone, welcome back to Sendil Smart QA Hub. Now, in this section, let's understand what Python is. Python is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It was designed to be simple, readable, and easy to learn. That's why millions of people use Python for different types of applications. So, here, first one, Python is a high level programming language. What does high level programming language mean? High level programming language is a language that is easy for humans to read and write. Computer understands only machine language, zeros or ones. Human writing the machine level programming language is very difficult. So we use a language like Python, which is very easier to understand. Whenever we write Python code, this Python interpreter will takes the Python code and converts into machine language so that the computer can execute the code. That's why Python is called as high level programming language. Next point is simple to learn. So one of the biggest reason for Python's popularity is it is very simple syntax. Python code looks almost like normal English. Because of this, beginners can learn programming much faster. For example, here to display a message in the Python language, it is very simple to write. So, what is the statement? Print of welcome. Only one line of the code. If we take other languages like Java and C, we need to write several lines of code to print a message. For Java, we have to write 5 lines of code. For C programming language, we have to write 6 lines of the code. So compared to other languages, Python is very simple to learn. Next point is open source. Open source means the software is freely available to everyone. You don't need to pay any license fee to use the Python. You can download the Python and install it, and you can use it for personal or commercial projects. Next point is cross platform. Cross platform means the same Python program can run it on different operating system like Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So you don't need to write a program for separately for Windows, Linux, Mac OS. It is a common program to all the platform. So we simply write the code once and run it anywhere where the Python is installed. Next we'll see Python usage. The Python is used many industries. It is widely used for web development to build websites and web applications. Next one, data science. Used Python to analyze the data and create visualization. Next one, AI and machine learning ML. Because Python is the most popular programming language, it is also used for automation to perform repeated tasks automatically. Python is used in the game development to create simple and advanced games. And it is one of the most popular language for software development because it is very simplicity and powerful libraries. And the Python used desktop application development, web scraping, data visualization, testing and test automation.